Baby did dwuma ahia paa na yɛwɔ hɔ ana arahosɛm bi abɛhwem regarding Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti na ɛwɔ sɛ mede update no ɛma wo ansa na matoa deɛ meyɛ bia so in 1 to 2 minutes pɛ mede nkyɛkyɛmu no nyinaa ɛbrɛ wo. Kumasi Asante Kotoko deputy captain ɛyɛ Lord Amoah wobɛkae Kotoko ɛne Wenchi Young Apostles game in the 90th minute na yeyi ni film sa game no Kotoko share 2-0 na injury ene ma ni free and then panyefo koye medical assessment ni nyoma no abeto da say Lord Amoah anya anterior cruciate medical term no say anterior cruciate and medical meniscus ligamentie na wanya anterior cruciate na medial meniscus tie ligamentie we doctor for no and a bit ma be chire but omo person omo che say long term injury anti this I die enemy law ebekwa akoye surgery no ede ne beko off obetima ka say for the rest of the season there Lord Amoah yenhu no bio ahweko sempa because World Cup na aka be 4 months to see a match ni brother na just aka 3 months and na ahweko semwe abehwim for Kotoko and Lord Amoah ebe we shine speedy recovery surgery no nyankoye but according to information I'm in second, I said, I feel na surgery no for a fixed time and date. Na wakwe Lord Amoah Kotoko this season will contribute into 9 goals. Go wa ninsa wo the 9 wo 9 and na rahusem we abeto no. We deputy Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain. And at this point, the bit me I honestly be bompa man. Na omo maka no so ya bompa ya mo na omo hwe omo hu so yi World Cup neighbor yempe injury bia ete no Kotoko draw a ye ne vision for no atna baba ya rabo yan hu Lord Amoah so o feature we pra the injury no mo say anterior cruciate and medial meniscus ligamentie. That's the injury I was sustaining. In the coming days, okoye surgery na update be baby I made bebo. But okoye surgery na be determine how long I obetina fie but surgery abam ni dey. Let us say okoye surgery na den 2-3 months be dey obetina fie. But ye bon pa say okoye surgery no na nkoye more time so na obebantim na is successful. The ye bon pa say be successful. More recovered.